What is it for?
B.
You got it. Sam, thanks for putting your drink in the disher.
Buddy.
Here,
do you need help?
Can you read this?
Yep, it says to Mr. Joshua Mosey, attention, first hamster from Pa, 33470 Streamview Drive. Let's see if we can open up here. I'm just going to help. And then you can do the rest. There we go. So go ahead and open that part up now.
Can you say I can help? Ooh, sure. What can I help with? What is this? You can stop.
Would you like some? Yes. Okay. Wait patiently. Wait patiently. Okay, good boy. Good boy. You wait patiently and I'll get you some. Alright, what is it? Oh. What is this?
Is it your football eraser?
Remember those erasers?
Whoa, this is an eraser.
It's an eraser. Cool. Look at
Can you say thanks, Pa?
Whoa. It looks like a football.
Joshua, can you say thanks, Pa?